Nice one, guys. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simply jump straight into this and make a video this morning. All right, with you guys. It's not gonna be too long. It's gonna be a simple little recipe this morning from Chef Ricardo. All right. But it's also a drink which I love to drink first thing in the morning when I wake up. Yeah. It's one of my favorite drink you could ever think of. All right, so it's like a very weight loss and also detoxing of the body. All right, so basically I got lemon. All right, and I'm gonna be using some apple cider vinegar. So you need to have some lemon. All right, it's important for you to use the lemon. We're gonna be using some apple cider vinegar again. I know I did a lot of video about this particular type of ingredients, but the thing about this kind of ingredients is it helps you, and that's why I like to use it so much, because it's something which is 100% gonna help you. All right. So let's get my lemon squeezer. Nice one. So right here, this is the lemon, and I'm going to squeeze half a lemon into the cup like this. All right. Yeah. All right. Once you put that, you're gonna get some apple cider vinegar. We're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Nice one. Then when you do that, you're gonna put some, this is some water, cold water from a fridge, roughly about half cups. And then after you do that, then you're gonna top it up with some hot water for a little bit more. Then what you wanna do, you wanna drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Also, you can add some honey, but I'm not gonna add any honey, all right? And that's the way it look right there, guys. Now, I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. This is a drink which can help a lot of people. I know I've been doing this video many times, over and over and over, keep repeating it. The reason why I keep repeating it, because it's something which is gonna help so many people, guys, all right? And that's why I'm trying to push it so much for you guys to give this a try at home, all right? It's a little bit of tips and ideas, but at the end of the day, it's going to help a lot of you guys with this kind of drink. 100% lemon and apple cider vinegar. So what you want to do, you want to try and drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's the best time. And also you can drink it just before you go to bed at night. 100%. This will help a lot of people. All right. So right now I'm just gonna drink mine. It's a little bit strong because of the lemon mixed with the apple cider vinegar, but it's so important for you when you wake up in the morning to alkalize the body. All right, and this is one of the best things you could ever do. Yeah. You just have to be careful with the apple cider vinegar and the lemon and the numbing of your teeth. But it's very, very good. And I'm just drinking this one to show you exactly why I'm saying this is so important for you to drink it, guys. All right. It's just to alkalize the body in the morning. Apple cider vinegar and lemon. Wow. And yeah, this is it right here. Wow. That's the lemon and the apple cider vinegar. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. I will be keeping you guys updated with more recipes and more tips and ideas. All right. Love you all, man. And see you next time from Chef Ricardo. Stay blessed and look after yourself. All right. 100%. Bye-bye. And big up my TikTok and my Facebook audience. Yeah, it tastes really good. It could be better, but you know, I mean, it tastes really nice. And not only that, the apple cider vinegar works really well with it, with the lemon. So I'm always drinking it still, but especially if you're a person who, you know, what I mean, suffer from sugar and all them stuff, is very, very good for you to just try this at home. The remedy behind it is amazing, and that's why I like apple cider vinegar, because there's nothing in the apple cider vinegar to harm you unless you're allergic to it, guys. And it's what I mean. Yeah. Well, anyway, yeah. Oh, sorry, guys. I forgot I'm still recording. Sorry.